Good afternoon, the honorable judges and fellow debaters. If we look at the definition of massive involvement of AI, it means the extensive and dominant use of AI, not just as a tool, but as the main decision maker or even replacing human roles in various work aspects. Originally, AI was designed to assist humans by performing tasks that usually require human intelligence, thereby lightening human workload, not completely replacing humans. However, when AI takes a dominant role in the workplace, it threatens the existence and role of humans and causes several serious problems. Therefore, on this occasion, I will present several reasons why we must regulate massive involvement of AI in the professional working environment. First, the use of AI in recruitment can cause hidden but significant discrimination. Many companies use AI to screen job applications hoping the process will be faster and more objective. However, in reality, AI learns from past data full of human biases. For example, if past recruitment data tends to favor male or graduate from certain universities, AI will consider this pattern as a good standard and automatically eliminate female candidates or those from different backgrounds even if they are highly competent. Besides bias issues, there is also the issue of accountability. If an applicant is rejected by the AI system, we can be asked for an explanation. Since the decision is made by a machine, humans can directly protest. Companies can easily avoid responsibility by saying that was the system decision. This eliminates transparency and accountability in an important process like recruitment. Secondly, dependence on AI in the creative process causes homogenization of products and services. AI tends to repeat patterns from existing data, causing the product and service product to be uniform and less diverse. This reduces the variety and uniqueness they usually from human creativity. As a result, the market is filled with similar products, making it difficult for consumers to find options that truly match their tastes and needs. The project also feels less emotional, less meaningful, and lack distinctive characteristics because AI can generate original innovation or creativity like human. In the long run, this situation will make the market boring and harm consumers due to the loss of innovation, variety, and unique quality that only human creativity can produce. We can take the example of startup and digital marketing agency in Jakarta and the major cities, which are now heavily relying on AI to create presentation, advertising campaign, and business email automatically. As a result, proposal and promotional materials from different companies end up looking very similar. Since they all use the same templates or AI system, the excessive use of AI in creative process and corporate communication lead to homogeneous product, content, and service, causing them to lose their unique value and distinctive identity, which should have been their competitive strength. In the long run, this trend can weaken companies' competitiveness, saturate the market, and erode the emotional connection between brands and consumers. Third, AI involvement in management and decision making can negatively change company culture. A healthy company culture heavily depends on human values such as empathy, interpersonal communication, and collaboration. When decisions are made based on data and algorithms without considering human context, this value can be neglected. Employees may feel judged and directed by rigid automated system rather than supervisors who understand their context and feeling. This can weaken human relationship in the workplace, replacing warm interaction and mutual trust with mechanical and cold relationships. In the long term, the work culture becomes individualistic and less supportive of employees' emotional well-being, negatively impacts their work spirit and loyalty to the company. Considering all the argument above, it's clear that although AI offers many benefits in terms of efficiency, speed, and automation, it's massive and unchecked involved in the professional world bring with its serious and long-term consequences. Therefore, the House must regret the over-reliance on AI in the workplace and take a firm stand in questioning the limits of its role. We must advocate for strict regulation, ethical oversight, and human-centered design, ensuring that AI remains supportive tool, not a substitute for human effort and judgment. Let us not be blind by convenience and innovation at the cost of fairness, creativity, and humanity in the professional world. Thank you.